ziphi ezinye? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. I hope you guys are doing great. If you are new on my channel, please make sure that you do subscribe, and if you are coming back, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So if you are new, please do subscribe and join the fam and join the double A gang. The double A gang, darling. I would really appreciate that. So guys, good morning. It's a morning today. It's a Wednesday morning. So I was just applying this pure soap, pure glycerin soap. I'm sure you guys know it. This one from Clicks. Because my skin has been going through the most. So I'm just gonna apply this as a mask for like a few minutes, and then wash it off. Ooh. But yeah guys, I hope you are doing great. So I am home. I'm not even sure if that's the correct way of saying it. Mara and I'm going back to Joburg today. Did you get up last week? Yes. We got up last week, so I'm going to Joburg. I've been very busy, guys. I didn't even have a chance to vlog, you know. Like, I was very, very busy. I'm only getting a chance to catch up with my Vlogtober today. So I'm going back to Joburg. I am so excited. I'm so happy to be going back. Guys, but yeah, sengiqhele uhlala espacing sami yabo kumanje uhlala kwakho. And yeah, it's very hot today, guys. The maximum temperature is like 36 degrees Celsius. Imagine 36 degrees. Like, it's so hot. Like, wow. But yeah, it was good to be home. I am going back. I am going back. I'm gonna take you guys with me if possible. So I just need to go. I just need to go and book a ticket, or I'll take a taxi. I don't know. I'll see. It will depend on the prices. Buy a cheaper. But I always prefer to take a taxi because taxi are countless. Mara, if a bus is cheaper, I'm gonna take a bus. So yeah, we'll see about that. And yeah, that's all for today's show. And that's all for today's show. Now I just need to make my breakfast and then and then continue with the rest of my day. Yeah. So please keep on watching. I just need to wash this thing off. Guys, my skin has been going through the most, like basic go literally. But yeah, let's go back and look like too. Hey manches, ubuqala ukuzithenga ntomam. Oh, kabe yazithanda. Azisweet ukuthi bafana ziyadika. Ndithi nobeka zidalele kakhulu. Cause zimnandi noba uzitya zodwa without ubisi. They are very nice. What's for my nephew? Box? Oh. How to tell the box? I try brand the box. I was born with no. Hello. He munches, but as go health as does so enjoy. Na enjoyment. There was once in a while. Having a steak, guys. Ooh. Easy pezinha. Oi. Oh, nia Janina. Nice son. Aibo, ano mo na? Batsong. Ndithwele le bonnet. Into lapha phansi yoyikisa. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this hair. Cause andizohamba ndithwele lento. So I need to sort that out and then dihlambe and then leave. So let's do that, child. So wait. Guys, so okay. Okay, I think Funes. Yours was upset to Ragay's next is a garage. Yeah, as in Denzel. Guys, I'm leaving. It's a garage. No, I'm waiting for Ibasi. Otherwise, we're late to go. It's around 8. And our bus is supposed to be here at 8:15. So I am waiting for that show. Ooh, guys, this poem is some. Kenza tata Doritos, ne? Ndawo nobuzibonile. Baze imali. Ilace. Kandityeze ngona ndibuka. Sasa nto zeze cheese. Salted ntonto nayo ndisifuna. And then namanzi. And some water. Wena awuzozithengela nto? Okay. Tata wona. Ukora pasti ngo suppose by lap. Mara dololo. Oh, abathetha bangani bakho. Asendlala lapha phandle. Guys, one thing about city to city is our late. They never bafika on time. Benza shock. Guys, hello. So I am back in Joburg. I last spoke to you in this I was at Engine Garage in Coxted for Bandetati Bus. And guys, into yenzeke ngalamini phansi ndishiwe ibhasi. Guys, like kwasala kangakuba ndishiye into yenziwa ngumama. So for uba ndibhukhe ticket mos, I didn't go uba ndiyozibhukishela ngokwam. I asked my mom uba andibhukishele ticket because wayesehlele siye town. Fine. So I asked her to book for me city to city, because city to city is usually the cheapest, like kunazo zonke ibhasi. So I asked her to book for me city to city. Okay, fine. Wavuma ugirl. Wavuma ugirl. Wahamba wayondibhukishela xa ibuya nyani uthi undibhushele ucity to city wandinika itikiti. Xa ndijonga itikiti nam I didn't bother to check uba yeyiphi ibhasi because uyatsho naye mama uba it's city to city. Ndiqonde okay, and nam ndiyabona uba it's the cheapest. It was like 290. Ndiqonda uyabo ucity to city uhamba phaa kothunto. So I didn't bother to check igama lebhasi. Fine. And then we go to Nzoti Park Station yaseKokse. We go to Park Station apho kutyelelwa khona ibhasi. Xa sifika phaya, ibhasi was supposed to uba ifike ngo8:15, like I told you guys. Ngo8:15 ebusuku nyani sahlala phaa wabetha 8:15 hamani. Ayifiki and andinawari because ndiyayazi city to city uba zinto zakhe uba late, like oko ndakhwela ucity to city nothi nangosuku olunye wake wafika on time. Ndiqonde hayi uyagqitha 8:15. Ndiqonda hayi zinto zabo wethu, it's still coming. Bekhona into ethi mandingene inoba around 20 past or half past. I think around half past. Bekhona into ethi mandijonge itikiti. Nyani ndijonge phaya. Xa ndithi kuhighlightiwe they highlighted my name and they highlighted the name of the bus and I think they highlighted the time. So fine. Xa ndithi ndiyajonga hamani ayo city to city le ibhukhwe apha and andingabona city to city oko ndifikile apha epark station. Kukhona le bhasi endingayaziyo bendiqala ukuyibona la bhasi. It's Intertonton Press. Lewe ndiyikhwele ndilibele uba Intertonton. So bese kudala ifikile ke le bhasi, ifike around 4:15 ngoku suppose ukufika city to city le yethu siyilindileyo. Xa ndithi hama nanzi le bhasi lapha and seyizohamba ngokhozi kudala ilindile xa belinde mna guys. Xa ndithi ndixelela mama, hayibo guys, mama ayo city to city le uyibhukhe apha. Xa sisithi bayajonga, hayibo bathi mandibaleke ndiye ebhasini ndiyokonfirma. Nyani ndabanika itikiti bakonfirma yonke into kwafakwa ibhegi ndahamba, otherwise ngendashiyeka. Yezo ndishiya ibhasi ndimile ndikhamise phaa ndilinde i-city to city, excuse me, engazuvela ndawo. Wow. So yaba njalo ke idrama yangalamini. But I'm just glad uba ndakhawuleza ndanothisa on time ndayibona, because wow child beyizoba i-problem you bantu badala abazali bethuna. So ndihambe kakuhle ke guys, I am enjoying right now. I just want to show you guys my phone. Mama ndithengele ifone. This Samsung, it's Samsung A1. And ndicelanga ke sana le phone. You know my Samsung, this one, the one I'm always using. This Samsung Galaxy, I've been using this for years. I think in 6 years now. So i-battery yayo iyageza kakhulu, like iyagula. In fact, iyagula. Ifuna utshintsha. I think sendiyitshintshe kathathu ngoku kwenza utshintsho kwesine, if not the 5th time. So I asked my mom to buy me a battery. Kyawusana wave wabuya nefone. Wathi at least uyandinceda ndizoyeka ube saloko nditshintshana namabhetri okokoko. So undithengele ifone entsha, so sure. Okay. Ndiyani-unboxela apha, ndi-unboxa kanjani bethuna? Okay, so this is how it comes. Ndiyikhuphe kulaa bhotile. And then this is how it looks. And then how uvula. This is how it looks. Your phone here, it's written Samsung, and then you have your charger here and the SIM card, just like a normal Tonton. So when you open, I obviously put this phone back here on this cardboard just for the sake of this vlog. Okay, iPhone phuma ke yona. Hayi bathi wenza ikazula ke mna, because I don't know uba yinto engxaki yayo. Okay, when you open here, you have the menu. It's written warranty card and then Samsung this side. And then this is the phone. This is how it looks. It's quite cute, I don't wanna lie. And then this is how it looks at the back. So yeah, this is my phone. I haven't tested the camera to see uba injani quality camera, so I'll update you on that. I think this was 2K. I don't have the slip, but yeah, I think it was 2000 and must be 10 mom. But I'm happy about this now. When I'm bending, I plan men guy like literally been a planning band is a phone. But okay, I'm glad because I saw that video. Actually, WhatsApp is no longer gonna work on some Samsungs and some iPhones, specifically iPhone 6s and iPhone 6. So I use iPhone 6s, the one I'm filming with, and then I was using this. I'm still using this Samsung Galaxy, and it's like it's an old model. So I'm sure WhatsApp wami bengazusebenza kuzo zombini phones zami. So incedile le phone because I really do need WhatsApp for business, for my businesses, because that's where I do my bookings and that's where I take my orders. So uncedile mama ububukele apha. Thank you, my love. Thank you, mama, I love you. But yeah, I guess that's where we're ending this vlog. Guys, I was so beautiful today. I'm gonna show you the pictures. But when figure up and if you get any accident, I was eating my favorite chicken licking wings. And they didn't saluma iwingi kumnandi. And yes, going to get done, but if I tag pisane yazongena apha. Imagine hot wings yazongena apha ehlweni. Kwanyanzeleka ndiyesinkini and pour some water and ndasula so makeup yami yaba mess. Otherwise I thought I was gonna film with my face bit, with my today's face bit, but again I still look pretty way too. Either way, I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. You kunini nthetha bethu ndinxaniwe. But I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you can. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, that's all for today. I love you guys so much. Mwah.